Hi there! Today I have another Easter treats idea for you. These rich and decadent Easter treats are quick and easy to make at home. Get the kids involved for fun, family-friendly Easter activity. Here's what we'll need. Melted chocolate, use your favorite kind. Easter sprinkles and chocolate eggs. And silicone Easter egg molds, or any molds you prefer. Start by sprinkling some Easter sprinkles and chocolate eggs into the molds. Then put the melted chocolate on top. Place them in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes until the chocolate hardens. Once they've hardened, carefully remove the Easter treats from the molds. And that's it. These delicious and festive Easter treats are ready to serve and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching.